Hello, my name is Celso and I'm here to tell you about the channel, My Life as a Computer Technician. With 27 years of experience in the IT area and 18 years in the telecom area, I can assure you that this channel is an incredible source of knowledge and learning for anyone who wants to understand more about this fascinating profession. Imagine having access to the entire journey of a computer technician, from the first steps in the field to the challenges and achievements along the way. On our channel, you will find tips, tutorials, real stories and much more, all to help you better understand what it means to be an IT professional. If you've always been curious about how the day-to-day life of a computer technician works, or if you're thinking about pursuing this career, our channel is the perfect place for you. Here, you will find valuable information that will help you take your first steps in this world of technology. Furthermore, in My Life as a Computer Technician, you will find a community of people passionate about technology, ready to exchange experiences, answer questions and help you become an even better professional. So do not lose more time. Subscribe to our channel now and be part of this incredible journey of learning and growth. Discover everything that the life of a computer technician has to offer you, and prepare to be surprised by the possibilities that technology can provide. Join us in My Life as a Computer Technician, and start today on your path towards success in this fascinating universe of computing. We are waiting for you with open arms. Come be part of this community and become a technology expert. Subscribe to the channel at MyLifeIt. Together, we will explore the world of technology and reach new heights of knowledge and success. Come be part of this journey with us.